Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the card we're making today. Here are the supplies. Thick Whisper white cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. We've got Flirty Flamingo 2 3/4 by 4.5. Gray Granite 1 by 5.5. All My Love Designer Series paper 4 by 2 1/4. And then we have scraps for our stamping and our punches. Okay, so we're going to start by scoring our card. Okay, so I'm going to take my Stampin' Trimmer and I'm going to score this at 4 1/4. Fold on the score line. We're going to take the Flirty Flamingo piece and we're going to stamp Easter Greetings. This is from the Fable Friends stamp set. We're using Memento ink and I'm just going to stamp this in the bottom right corner. Okay, and now we're going to add this to the card front. So I'm just going to turn it over and add some adhesive. Okay, so I'm just going to somewhat center this. It's not really centered, but it is centered between the two sides, okay? Next, we're going to take the Gray Granite layer and we're going to add it right about there. So right above the Easter greeting. Try to get this straight. There we go. Now we're going to add the Designer Series paper. This is going to go right about there. We're going to stamp the bunny from the same stamp set. This is the image I'm obsessed with. We're going to color it using 2 Stampin' Blend markers, the light Smoky Slate and the light Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to start with the Smoky Slate. Uh-oh, I went on his hand. I'll use the color lifter later and remove that. That noise you hear in the background would be Bella, if you can hear it. She likes eating cardstock. Okay. And then light Flirty Flamingo. And color the buttons and the ears, inside of the ears, I should say. Now we're going to cut this out with the stitch shaped framelits. But before we do that, let's go ahead and cut out our 2-inch circle, Flirty Flamingo. And then we're going to cut out a flower from the Bitty Blooms Punch Pack. Okay, I'll get the Big Shot real quick. Okay, so here's the Big Shot. Magnetic platform and a cutting pad. Okay. Okay, so let's get all of our pieces back in here. So we're going to add the image to the 2-inch circle with snail. I'm going to place a dimensional on the back. I'm going to take that flower and add it with a glue dot. And then we're going to take a rhinestone and add it right in the center. Don't forget there's a free PDF over on my website that has the measurements and the picture of the project. Isn't it cute? Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.